The precise origin of the blueberry muffin recipe is not attributed to a single individual. Rather, it is the result of culinary evolution influenced by various cultural and historical factors. However, the popularization of blueberry muffins can be traced through the history of American cooking and early American cookbooks. The first recipes for muffins, including fruit muffins, appeared in American cookbooks in the 19th century. These cookbooks often included variations that utilized local ingredients, including blueberries. Fannie Merritt Farmer's Boston Cooking School Cookbook, first published in 1896, played a significant role in standardizing American recipes and included various muffin recipes. While not specifically credited with the blueberry muffin, her work laid the groundwork for modern baking practices. 20th century cookbooks. By the early 20th century, blueberry muffin recipes began to appear more frequently in cookbooks. These recipes helped to popularize the use of blueberries in muffins and spread the concept across the United States. Commercial influence. The commercial cultivation of blueberries in the early 20th century made them more accessible and affordable, further encouraging their use in baking. Companies promoting blueberries also published recipes that included blueberry muffins. Regional variations. Different regions in the United States contributed their variations of the blueberry muffin, incorporating local ingredients and preferences, which helped to create a diverse range of recipes. In summary, the recipe for blueberry muffins evolved over time through contributions from various cooks, authors, and regional influences, making it a staple in American baking. There isn't a single person credited with inventing the blueberry muffin recipe, but rather it is a collective culinary development. There isn't a single person credited with inventing the blueberry muffin recipe, but rather it is a collective culinary development. While blueberry muffins can be a tasty treat, their health benefits largely depend on the ingredients and preparation methods used. Here are some potential benefits of blueberry muffins, particularly when they are made with healthier ingredients. Rich in vitamins and minerals, they are an excellent source of vitamin C and K, as well as manganese. Vitamin C is important for immune function and skin health, while vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Manganese is involved in bone development. Potential fiber content. If made with whole grain flour such as whole wheat flour or oat flour, blueberry muffins can provide a good amount of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health, maintaining blood sugar levels, and promoting satiety. Energy boost. Muffins can provide a quick source of energy due to their carbohydrate content, making them a convenient option for breakfast or a snack. Versatile nutrient addition. Blueberry muffins can be enhanced with additional nutritious ingredients like nuts, seeds, or flaxseed, which add healthy fats, protein, and extra fiber. Portion control. Muffins offer built-in portion control, as they are typically baked in individual servings. This can help with managing calorie intake compared to other baked goods like cakes or large pastries. Homemade benefits. Homemade blueberry muffins can be customized to be healthier by reducing the amount of sugar, using healthier fats like coconut oil or olive oil instead of butter, and incorporating ingredients like Greek yogurt for added protein. Mental health and enjoyment. Enjoying a blueberry muffin can also contribute to mental well-being by providing a comforting and satisfying experience. Treating yourself to a favorite food in moderation can be part of a balanced and enjoyable diet. However, it's important to note that many commercially available blueberry muffins can be high in sugar, refined flour, and unhealthy fats, which can negate some of the health benefits. Maximize the benefits. Consider making blueberry muffins at home with healthier ingredients and mindful portion sizes. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my updated new video.